Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, so you won't miss any of our future videos. Today's topic is one that I'm really excited to talk about: 8 things I used to do that now seem weird to me as a minimalist. One. Standing in a tidy and minimalist-looking room. Before embracing a minimalist lifestyle, my life was a cluttered mess. I never realized how much stuff I accumulated over the years, and some of the things I used to do just seem bizarre to me now. So, let's dive in and take a trip down memory lane. 2. Holding up an old bulky wallet. The first thing on my list is this old monstrosity, my massive wallet. I used to stuff it with loyalty cards, receipts, and all sorts of unnecessary junk. Now, as a minimalist, I prefer a sleek and slim wallet that only carries the essentials. 3. Standing in front of a closet filled with clothes. Next up, my overflowing wardrobe. It's hard to believe that I used to own so many clothes that I barely wore. These days, I opt for a capsule wardrobe, with versatile pieces that I absolutely love. 4. Holding up a stack of DVDs. Remember DVDs? I used to have an entire collection that took up a whole shelf. Now, I've embraced digital media and streaming services, which not only saves space but also reduces waste. 5. Sitting at a cluttered desk. My old desk used to be a chaotic mess with papers, sticky notes, and random gadgets scattered everywhere. Now, it's clean and minimalist, allowing me to focus better on the things that truly matter. 6. Looking at old party photos. Ah, the memories of hosting lavish parties and gatherings. But as a minimalist, I've come to appreciate more intimate and meaningful get-togethers with loved ones. 7. Holding up a bunch of kitchen gadgets. I used to have a kitchen full of fancy gadgets that I hardly ever used. Now, I stick to the essentials, which not only saves space but also encourages me to cook more mindfully. 8. Sitting in a cozy corner with a book. Reading used to be something I struggled to find time for. Now, I cherish my reading moments in a calm and clutter-free space, where I can fully immerse myself in the world of books. So there you have it, 8 things I used to do that now seem weird to me as a minimalist. Embracing minimalism has truly changed my life for the better, and I encourage all of you to give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced any similar changes or if you have any questions about minimalism. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on minimalist living, productivity, and self-improvement. Until next time, stay minimalist and stay happy. Take care.